I am fond of.
1 second.
I'm-
1 second. We are going to speak one by one. One sentence all of you will give. Like this, we have to make 10 sentences. Start.
I'm fond of spending time with my daughter.
I am fond of meditation.
Yes, I am fond of meditation and enjoy with very good.
And I enjoy it.
Enjoy.
I I am enjoyed.
I
lot भी लगा सकते हैं.
I enjoy it.
I enjoy it. Okay.
I'm fond of shopping. Whenever I
I'm-
feel, I try to do online shopping or window shopping.
I am fond of dancing.
I am fond of TV news and movie.
I am fond of watching movies.
Yes, I am fond of watching movie and news.
I am fond of reading.
I am fond of dressing up.
Great. Dressing up.
I am fond of cooking.
Rapid fire चल रहा है. जल्दी जल्दी बोलो.
I'm fond of meeting new friends, new persons.
New person.
I am fond of
Persons is never plural. It's new people. I'm fond of meeting new people.
New people.
I am fond of learning.
Yes, I fond of learning and enjoy myself and learning
See,
with
even if it is not yours, say you can say I'm enjoying of driving. Even if you don't drive, it's fine, but you say it because we are using